What does it truly mean to be a BUenyo? 4 pillars that shape every step of the journey. How does scholarship inspire excellence? How does leadership drive us to make an impact? How does character shape us with integrity? And how does service motivate us to give back to the community? Stepping onto Bicol University's campus for the first time feels like a dream come true. The campus is alive, buzzing with energy and purpose. Everything feels fresh, from the buildings to the green spaces. There's a sense of purpose everywhere.
Welcome to Bicol University, the heart of academic excellence in the Bicol region. Established in 1969, BU is more than just a university. It's a place where scholarship, leadership, character, and service come to life every day. With SUC Level 4 distinction, BU stands as a beacon of knowledge, community, and transformation. One of the BU's colleges is the College of Business, Economics, and Management, founded in 2004. BSBA offers a diverse range of programs from accountancy to economics, entrepreneurship, and business administrations. Among this program, one stands for its commitment to community empowerment and financial inclusion. BSBA major in microfinance. Bicol University was the first state university in the Philippines to offer this program. Developed by Dr. Remesis M. Lorino alongside partners like Pinoy Me Foundation, Hans Seidel Foundation, Ninoy and Corey Foundation, and Bicol Microfinance Council Incorporation. This program meets the growing needs of microfinance industry and works to professionalize its workforce. Despite the challenges of establishing a new program, BSBA Microfinance was officially launched in 2009 by Board Resolution Number 3, Series of 2009.
Why did you choose microfinance?
Growing up, money was always a sensitive topic. I remember asking my parents for a small amount for school, but my mom explained that things were tight. It hurts, not because they couldn't give, but because I saw how hard they work. That experience made me think about families like ours, working hard but held back by circumstances. I chose BSBA in microfinance because I want to help families access opportunities, start businesses, and build better futures. It's about turning struggles into hope and growth. Being a student at Bicol University has been an unforgettable journey. One of the most remarkable highlights is the BU Olympics, a time when the entire campus burst with energy and excitement. The cheers of the crowd, the camaraderie among participants, and the shared pride create an atmosphere like no other. I'll never forget BU Hataw, where students, professors, and staff all come together to dance, celebrating our identity as part of this vibrant community. But beyond the celebration lies the real heart of university life. The countless hours preparing for exams in the library and staying up late with classmates, supporting each other through the ups and downs of academic life. The time in ROTC added another layer to the journey, teaching discipline, leadership, and responsibility. It's the combination of dedication, passion, and small moments of joy that makes the experience at Bicol University so special. These moments have shaped, inspired, and reinforced the pride of being part of this amazing community. It's a legacy that every student will carry for the rest of their life.
What are your goals as a student?
My goal as a student is to pass all my subjects, maintain good grades, and finish my degree with pride, making my family's sacrifices worthwhile. I want to keep learning and growing, gain practical experience, and contribute to meaningful projects.
At Bicol University, the BSBA Microfinance program is more than just a degree. It's a mission to empower communities and build a brighter future. Together, we're creating a legacy of opportunity.
One student,
one community, one dream at a time.
Join us at Bicol University and embark on a journey of learning, growth, and impact.
Choose BSBA Microfinance! Choose BSBA Microfinance! Choose BSBA Microfinance!
And become a force for a positive change in the world.